Hey, you're one of those people that always wanted to get into photography, but you were too scared to ask, and you didn't want to splash out on big cameras. Of course not. But hey, if you've got one of these, if you've got a smartphone, you take pictures anyway on it. I guess you do. Pictures of your family, pictures of pretty scenes when you're out and about. Well, what about moving that onwards, forwards to another style of photography? And today I'm going to talk about street photography. Yeah, you know, that hipster photography that's around at the moment. We used to call it documentary photography, but taking pictures of the area you live, the places that we move in. It's really great fun to photograph the people and the portraits and the places. Great fun. And with one of these, it's super easy. Just put it up to your head here when it's in camera mode and start walking around. People will think that you're on the phone. But actually, if you use these buttons, these volume buttons on the side, you can take pictures actually as you look like you're on the phone. And that's a great way to start. All you got to do is train yourself how to spot the pictures in the first place. And that's actually really easy to learn. You just got to start noticing pictures as they happen and then just casually walk by. Want to know more? Well, look, I've been out with my camera up to my ear and I've done it on video mode so I can talk you through where I saw the great pictures. Do you want to have a look at that? See how easy it is so that you can have a go? Of course you do. Roll VT. Documenting people out in public spaces, something I really enjoy. So I'm going to go out now and I'm going to run the video so you can see as it happens. You can see the spotting of the pictures. So maybe the pictures won't be the best quality because they're going to be screen grabs, but the idea is that you can see how we get the pictures and how easy it is. So here we go, let's go and search for some street photography images. And there's one, look, I like that picture. That's nice. I'm going to use that yellow flash on the video to tell you when I see a picture. And I'm seeing one here, look, this woman walking towards us. If I can get in front so she's in the middle, there. That's a nice picture. Now I know what you're thinking. Oh, hang on a minute. That's you know, somebody you knew, and she's standing there. She's not walking. Well, she's not. She's walking. I just took the picture when her legs were parallel. Look. Wait a second. And if I'd have taken the picture just there, that's the picture, and she looks like she's standing, doesn't she? But you know, I'll use that in colour. I think that works well in colour. Black and white, I don't know which is best. You tell me, leave me a comment. Black and white or colour. And oh, hang on, did you see that woman walking by then? Look, okay, let's have a look. She's taking a picture. She could be taking a picture of us. That's another technique with the camera down low instead of up at your ear. Look. That's particularly good if people are on benches and they're lower than you and you can walk by. So if we come up to these benches, we can try that technique with the camera down low. And all these people here know there's no people here. And that's another lesson. Make sure you know when the areas are going to be busy, because this is about 10:30 in the morning and there's nobody here. I'm going to have to come back at lunchtime. Maybe I'm a little bit too early. In the meantime, there's a few people up behind me sitting down over there. Maybe they're having the breakfast. I'll go over and see if we can get anything there. But also on the other side of the cathedral here, there are the bus stops, and there'll be a load of people waiting there. So let's go and try that. So walking along the benches with my camera down low in my hand here, and there's one picture. Yeah, I like that. A couple of portraits of these guys on the bench having a coffee. That worked quite nicely. I'm really close in, and there's another one. Somebody writing in a book, some ideas in the pad. Maybe they're doing their homework. Oh, that was a good picture. Go back, rewind. I like that. Just on that corner, look there. Boom. That's my favourite picture. Love that tree in the background. I love the juxtaposed of the mask against that dark coat there. And oh, there's a picture. I like that little shimmy. See the little shimmy she did, and that gives a bit of movement to the picture when she was getting out of the way of the bikes. Like that one. Yeah. So let's get to the bus stops and get all these people getting off the bus. Texas. Over here. What's going on in Birmingham today? Where are all the people? Where have they gone? It's deserted. We're gonna have to go and find them. We're gonna need to come up with another plan. They're here somewhere, I know it. And sure enough, they were waiting for the buses at the other end. And look at that goal there. Oh, nice picture jumped into the shot. I like that. Oh, that's my favourite picture today. Really, really like that. All the people, and that woman there looking at the goal. I really like that. Let's take a picture of you there. Bang. I like that shot. Wow, nice. Maybe in colour it would look better. Yeah, leave me a comment. Do you like the black and white or the colour shot best? Let's do some colour shots for a second. There's another picture, look, like that, and another. Wow, they're coming thick and fast now, these pictures, like that one. And I like the fact that he's looking down at the camera. That often happens. People look at the camera in your hand and they don't realise. I wish these were higher quality for you, because I'm shooting video for you to see the process. Look at that woman walking into that gap. There's a picture like that. There it is. And I hope you can see that, sometimes you're spotting the pictures before they happen. Like there, I like that shot as he was walking around the corner. And you've got to be ready, you've got to be observing all the time. So I like that one as well. There's 2 shots in a row there. Somebody checking their phone, walking by, and a couple of people having a conversation, deep in conversation, like that. So those are our bus stop pictures. I think we've got everything we're going to get here. But of course, I come here to do these pictures. You don't have to do that. It can be wherever you are. And the next day I was off to the States to shoot a job in California. Always get a window seat so I can take a couple of pictures out of the window if I see some great lighting. And before I know it, I'm in the USA, and I'm going to take the opportunity to do a little bit of street photography while I'm here too. And I go off and shoot my job in sunny California, in San Diego, but then after my job I come down to the beach, and I'm here now at the beach area in San Diego, and I'm looking for some street photography. So camera up to the ears like I'm on the phone. I like that kind of those steps behind them there. That kind of picture didn't quite make it, but here's somebody. Look, let's get set up, and boom, there's the shot, like that. We're in colour this time. Look at that. Wow, nice and colourful. Let's just walk along, and guy on a bike. I like that. Do you like that image? Looks quite nice, doesn't it? Look at him cycling along there, and you're in the hands of what happens. This is a busy old picture. Let's get a few people together. Ready, go. Yeah, that's nice. But I hope you're seeing that it's about spotting things, it's about moving, being fluid, seeing what's happening. It makes you very aware of what's happening around you, and it gets you to look at your space that you're living in. Once again, there's nothing here except a very, very nice beach. And what have we got here? Look at this runner. That's got to be a nice picture, isn't it? And let's get it right, get the camera ready, and there. I've got to say, that's a nice place to have a run, isn't it? Oh, he's chosen a good spot there. Here's a few others messing around with a few selfies. Of course you've got to do that, haven't you? I mean, why not? And also, have a look around, see if there's any documentary photography that you want to do, actually pointing at people with the camera rather than up at your ear. I like that one. Look at that dog. Now, you can go off and take some pretty pictures too. Why not? Don't forget to, when you go out to these places, don't forget, just because you're doing documentary photography doesn't mean to say you can't enjoy a bit of architectural or just some general snaps or whatever you want, really. This is San Diego, as I said, well worth a visit. I'm definitely going back. I was there working, shooting a picture, but definitely going to go back. What a lovely place it was. But of course I had to leave San Diego eventually, and here we go. On our way back, I decided to try a few more. There's a nice one. Look at that. High five. Getting out of the taxi. What else have we got? I got a layover in Texas, in Dallas, on the way back. So let's see if I can do some shots there. See what you think. It is kind of fun, isn't it? Documenting everyday life. Even these people at the airport, look, on their way working busy lives and just seeing what's happening around us. It really is quite nice. There's something very satisfying about it, those capturing moments, even when we go to black and white. And I think that suits cell phones, black and white photography. I shoot them in colour and then grayscale them afterwards, but they really do sort of add something to the documenting life sort of element to it, don't they? Maybe it's because lots more documentary photography happened in the older days when they were black and white and we're used to seeing black and white images. But hey, I don't know, I just find it very satisfying. These images, as I say, are just grabs off video. They're screen grabs, but you can hone this technique and start noticing great pictures and take them in higher quality with your cell phone. Give it a go. There you go, it's as easy as that. Easy as just putting your camera up here. So what you need to do is get your phone, get out there into the cities, into the towns, and start noticing things happening. And hey, let me know down in the comments where you got to and where you got your best pictures, and if you found this useful and whether it's inspired you to take even more great pictures. Hey, thanks for watching. See you next time.